Hello, where would you like to go? Hi, please take me to the city center. Sure, please fasten your seatbelt. Thank you, I have fastened it. Is this your first time in this city? Yes, it is my first visit here. Welcome. This city is very beautiful. I've heard a lot about it. What do you do for a living? I am a student. That's great. What do you study? I study business management. That's a good field. What about you? How long have you been driving? I have been driving for 5 years. Do you enjoy your job? Yes, very much. Yes, I meet many interesting people. That sounds nice. Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. Oh, that's wonderful! Have you ever been there? No, but I would love to visit someday. You should. It's a beautiful country. I will definitely plan a trip. Do you work every day? Yes, almost every day. That must be tiring. It can be. Sometimes, but I enjoy it. Do you have a family? Yes, I have 2 children. That's lovely. What about your family? My parents live in my hometown. Do you visit them often? Yes, whenever I get time. Family is very important. I agree with you. Do you like traveling? Yes, I love exploring new places. I like the Riverview area. Oh, is it far from here? No, it's just 10 minutes away. That's great. Would you like to visit it later? Yes, I would love to. The weather is nice today. Yes, it feels very pleasant. Do you prefer summer or winter? I prefer winter. Why do you like winter? Because it is calm and cozy. I like winter too. Do you listen to music while driving? Yes, sometimes. Yeah? What kind of music do you like? I like soft and relaxing music. That's nice. Do you want me to play some music? Sure, that would be great. All right, I'll turn it on. Thank you. We are almost there. That was a smooth ride. I'm glad you liked it. How much is the fare? It's $10. Here you go. Here you go. Thank you very much. Keep the change. Thank you for the ride. That's very kind of you. You're welcome. Have a great day. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye. Take care.